Hi teachers, this is for class 2 English. Welcome to school. Circle time teaching learning material, and it is used for observe the picture and ask the questions. Let the children answer using this is our first picture. What is this?
This is our classroom.
Next picture. What is this?
This is our school.
Next picture. What is this?
This is our playground.
Next picture. What is this?